Best deals.
Steel utensils offer several benefits, including durability, resistance to rust and corrosion, even heat distribution, and ease of cleaning. They are also non-reactive, meaning they won't leach harmful chemicals into food or alter its taste or smell. Steel utensils are known for their strength and resistance to wear and tear. They don't easily break, bend, or crack, making them a long-lasting addition to any kitchen. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Pressure cooker. Built with high-performance tri-ply stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. No hot spots, just perfect cooking every time. The step design prevents spills, while the built-in cavity under the whistle stores steam for better pressure control and flavor retention. Made from non-toxic, food-grade stainless steel, free from harmful chemicals. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Square tin. Made with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and style. Transparent see-through lid allows quick identification of contents while keeping them fresh and protected. Multipurpose storage solution, perfect for storing dry food items like spices, tea, coffee, sugar, and snacks. Easy to maintain, rust-resistant and easy-to-clean surface keeps the tin looking as good as new. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Masala box. Made from premium quality stainless steel, this masala box ensures long-lasting durability, maintaining its shine and functionality over time. The odorless and BPA-free material keeps your spices and dry fruits safe and fresh for extended periods. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Plate. This plate can also be used as a unique server for sweets, chocolates or gifts this Diwali. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Container box. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for years of use. Features a tight-sealing steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents contamination, keeping your food safe, secure, and fresh for longer periods. The square shape allows for efficient space utilization and easy stacking, helping you organize your kitchen and save valuable shelf or counter space. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Serving bowl. These serving bowls are crafted with high-quality food-grade stainless steel for strength and durability that can be used as both mixing bowls and serving bowls. The rounded lip on these stainless steel bowls set give you easy handle while the wide rim allows liquids and ingredients to flow evenly when pouring. Use these bowls to mix salads, marinate meat for baking or grilling. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tadka pan. The construction helps to cook food 2 times faster than ordinary stainless steel cookware. Stainless steel handles with fine grip gives you a firm hold on. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Square bowl. A stainless steel square-shaped vati is a small bowl or dish commonly used in Indian households for serving food or for individual portions. You can also serve dal, sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. Uniquely designed with a see-through window to check supply levels of the items. Use this kitchen storage organizer to store spices, dry fruits, namkeen, and other food items. Made up of food-grade stainless steel which keeps your content fresh for use. This highly durable stainless steel storage containers with stainless steel lid. Perfect for gifting purposes at weddings, anniversaries. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. This large 12-inch stainless steel drum has a 10 kg capacity, which makes it ideal for storing grains, flour, rice, sugar, snacks, and other kitchen essentials with ease. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Container box. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for long-term use. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. Ideal for storing dry foods, spices, snacks, leftovers, and non-food items like kitchen tools, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kadai. Thick stainless steel kadai with glass lid. Metal utensil safe, oven and dishwasher safe, cooks evenly as the thick aluminum core distributes heat uniformly, shatter-resistant tempered glass, seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food. Riveted, stay cool, handle with comfortable silicone grip, mirror polished finish outside and emery finish inside. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Steel tope. They can be conveniently used on both gas stove and induction cooktop for uniform heating and cooking. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Snack server. The square-shaped stainless steel plate is a modern and stylish addition to your dining collection. It is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, known for its durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. The plate features a sleek and polished surface that adds a touch of elegance to any table setting. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Canister. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Airtight silicone seal, securely sealed with a high-quality silicone ring to lock in freshness and protect contents from air and moisture. Flossy square design with clear window, stylish square-shaped canister with a transparent side panel, offering a sleek look and quick visibility of contents. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cookware Frappan. Crafted with 3 layers of premium stainless steel and aluminum, a Frappan ensures even heat distribution, reducing cooking time and delivering consistently delicious meals. Invest in durability and efficiency for your kitchen. Compatible with all stove types including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic, this Frappan offers versatility for any cooking need. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dinner set. The stainless steel plates are a stunning piece of dinnerware that combines elegance and functionality. They are crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a polished finish, exuding a timeless appeal. What sets these plates apart is the intricate rounding design that adorns its edges, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall aesthetic. These small bowls are designed to complement the larger plates and offer additional serving options. To complete the set, there are 4 spoons included, perfectly matching the design of the plates. Its strong and durable offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 17th link.